Hello, this is the Lecture 1 Unit Topics video of numerical methods and its programming channel. This video file name is named as capital NMlec01unit00-Topics. My name is Ganapati V. Narayanan, or simply you can call me Narayanan. There are 8 unit topics under Lecture 1, and these video file names are named starting with capital N, capital M, LEC01 standing for Numerical Methods Lecture 1. After that comes the unit numbers starting with 01 through 08, and then we have a short word for what the video stands for, what the video is about. The first one, these videos are described in the following. The Unit 1 video will give an overview information on the important points to be kept in mind about the numerical methods and its usage on solving problems. The Unit 2 video talks about sample problems and will showcase a few sample problems that occur in applied mathematics and physics. Unit 3 video of Lecture 1 will be on numbers and symbols and will discuss the meaning and usage of numbers and symbols in mathematics, in particular in numerical methods. Unit 4 video of Lecture 1 will be on digital numbers and will discuss the usage of digital numbers and the arithmetic operations in mathematics, in particular during numerical computations needed by the numerical method. Unit 5 video of Lecture 1 will be on digital approximations and will discuss the two approximations due to truncation and round off that affect the final result's accuracy due to sequence of calculations performed inside the numerical method. Unit 6 of Lecture 1 will be on binary numbers and will discuss the meaning and usage of binary numbers that are the heart of digital computer calculations. Unit 7 of Lecture 1 will be on octal numbers and will discuss the meaning and usage of octal numbers that are used on digital computer calculations to store large numbers with 32 bits per second, per word, per computer word. Lecture 8, Unit 8 video of Lecture 1 will be on hexa numbers and will discuss the meaning and usage of hexa numbers that are used in digital computers to store very large numbers. Most computers nowadays use hexa, meaning 16 digits and 64 bits per computer word to store very large numbers. Thank you.